It's not just shocking comments from our politicians. The army that continues to do its job in difficult circumstances has also faced mounting false cases, all under the pretext of human rights violations. In a latest report, we're learning that in the last 22 years, as many as 1,736 cases have been filed against the army, and out of those, only 4%, or rather 66 of those cases were proved to be true. Our National Affairs editor Srinjoy Chaudhary is joining me for more on that story. Srinjoy, first of all, give us a sense of this elaborate report which has been put out in public domain. This clearly shows that there are many elements who are working overtime to actually tarnish the image of the Indian Army.
Well, there are a lot of people who are charging the army with a lot of things. And when they come really under the scanner and people seriously look at those charges and cases, they find there is very little evidence of those things that people have been charged with. Of course, 66 of over 1,000 have been found guilty, but that is a very, very small percentage, a very small number considering the kind of charges that have been made. Sure, in 66 cases, the army will have to take action and has taken serious action. But what about the other cases? This is stress on the army, it's stress on the soldier themselves, and also, most importantly, it takes away the focus from the army. Instead of doing what it has to do, it has to be involved in all these issues that are largely legal rather than military, and therefore it only takes a lot of attention away from the army's primary task.